Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a strike-through animation in PowerPoint. This simple trick can instantly make your presentations more dynamic and professional, so let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and navigate to the presentation you want to work on. You can also start a new one if you just want to practice. Once you're on the right slide, highlight the specific text you want to strike through. Selecting the exact words or phrases is key because this ensures the effect appears exactly where you need it. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. In the font section, you'll see the strike-through button. It looks like ABC with a line through it. Click it and your selected text will immediately have that crossed out look. Now, you might be wondering, isn't this just a static strike-through? That's true, but here's where it gets exciting. By combining this with PowerPoint's animation tab, you can make your text strike through dynamically, adding a smooth, professional effect as part of your slide sequence. Simply choose an animation that fits your style, adjust the timing, and watch your text come to life. A quick tip, use this effect sparingly. Too many animations can distract your audience, so keep it clean and make sure it highlights your key points. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a strike-through animation in PowerPoint. Experiment with it, see how it fits your slides, and elevate your presentations instantly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more presentation hacks.